completely reversed her symptoms of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and chronic fatigue. That's right, 17 pounds in just 3 weeks and 61 pounds in less than 3 months. Going from this to this, all from eating this one fat-flushing fruit after 8 p.m. every night. Now, the reason this works so well is because it contains a chemical compound called oleic acid, which, by the way, is flooded with fat-melting molecules that increase fat burning at the genetic level to jumpstart your weight loss and metabolism. And it helps reduce blood pressure while eliminating inflammation in your belly so your body can finally start burning fat again. What most people don't know is that this all-natural belly slimming substance is made up of potent antioxidants that also help slow down aging and prevent premature wrinkles. So not only do you lose weight quickly, you naturally look younger because your smooth skin now has a vibrant glow that was never there before. And it works even better the older you are. The problem is, most people pass right by it at the grocery store, even though it's the most powerful fat burner on the planet. You see, there is one crucial trick, however. Some people need more of this fat-flushing fruit, and others need less. And it all comes down to your unique fat-burning fingerprints. Now, lucky for you, once I share this secret with you, this powerful fruit will work its magic on even your toughest fatty areas. That's because this exotic fruit melts fat faster than eating more green vegetables. It shrinks your waistline quicker than choking down a bunch of dry salads. And it even burns fat faster than cutting calories and skipping meals. The crazy thing is, it takes less than 3 minutes a day. And it didn't just transform Jerry's life, it also transformed the life of her brother Eric, who melted away 46 pounds in just 2 months, even though this guy barely exercised and loves to eat. Going from this to this, while completely flattening his belly, reversing the symptoms of chronic heart disease that ran in his family, and eliminating any risk of type 2 diabetes. That's right, Jerry and Eric together lost 119 pounds in a matter of months, dramatically catapulting their vitality, erasing chronic knee and back pain, all while leaving their friends and family speechless. And what happened next was even more incredible. Jerry's husband immediately noticed her renewed, vibrant, and youthful glow, which turned their sex life around and made him fall deeply in love with her all over again. Her energy was off the charts, and she no longer struggled to get out of bed in the morning. However, the scary truth is, Jerry almost didn't make it. In fact, she almost died right in front of her 2 little girls after dropping them off for soccer practice one sunny afternoon, slumped over her steering wheel on the verge of a sudden heart attack that she never saw coming, as her 2 little girls looked on in agony, terrified they'd lose their mother for good. All because she had too much deadly belly fat, acting like a ticking time bomb in her stomach. You see, in the emergency room, the doctors discovered a mysterious metabolic glitch that was plugging up her arteries and clogging her liver, which led to abnormal fat storage around her belly because her digestive system wasn't absorbing the nutrients it needs to function from her food. It turns out this hidden condition affects millions of women and men over 40 around the world, with most people never even knowing.